Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Fellow and this is Fellow's Haven. I hope you are doing well whatever time you are watching this video. Today we are going to be talking about pattern markings. You know, there are a lot of lines that you see on your patterns. There are a lot of diagrams that you see on your patterns that can be confusing. But today I'm just going to break down a few of the pattern markings, the common pattern markings, and show you within picture what it is and what it means. The grain line, this is the most common pattern marking that you find on almost every pattern. This is used to guide you to cut whilst your pattern is lying flat and parallel to the selvage. You need to cut this whilst it's parallel to the selvage and make sure that it is the distance between the grain line and the selvage is the same throughout your pattern. The second pattern marking is the place on fold. This you use it when you fold your material and then you place that pattern marking, you place your pattern on fold of your fabric, if that is making sense. This is the pattern marking that you'll find when you have to fold your fabric. On your patterns you might find these broken lines. This is just to show you where you are meant to cut. So the broken lines just mean the cutting lines. This is where you're going to cut your fabric from. Then we also have notches. These are used to match two fabrics together where you have marked the notches. So maybe let's say if you are matching the middle part of your skirt or anything like that, you have the notches, so you have to match those two notches where you would have cut them. Then we have those two lines. Those are for lengthening or shortening. Those are lengthening or shortening lines. They are used to lengthen or shorten your project. If you want it to be shorter, you cut where it needs to be shorter. If you want it to be longer, you cut where it needs to be long. And that single line, you usually find it at the bottom of your pattern. This indicates where you need to hem your project. The X symbolizes where you are going to put your button on. So wherever there is an X on, you know that there you're going to be placing your button. And that straight line which is has those slashes, not right at the end but somewhere in between, that is for your buttonhole. That is the size of the buttonhole or where you're going to be placing your buttonhole. That is it with pattern markings. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with someone. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please do hit the subscribe button so that you can be part of the family. Until next time, take care of each other and take care of yourself.